I saw a tweet and it says that forex trading is so scary that you can know everything there is to know. In fact, you can teach a beginner all that they need to know about trading, but you are still unprofitable. And I remember what I read in a book by Mark Douglas, The Disciplined Trader. That was his first book. And they say something that perception is not execution. And I remember a friend who was very good at teaching. He has taught people who are even profitable, but he's not yet profitable. Even myself, there was a time I do predict Bitcoin, that Bitcoin will go from this point to this point, and it will happen. But I'm not a part of it because I don't really have the confidence to execute. So perception is not execution. And what are the leading causes why people know something about the market and they can't really do anything about it? I think one of the main reasons is that they have not practiced enough in a demo account. You've not practiced enough. You've not seen enough sample set of your edge. That thing you want to, that will make you take a trade. You've not learned it enough. You've not seen it enough. You've not had enough sample sets of it. Another reason I think people have the perception but they can't execute is because they focus too much on technical analysis and they don't work, or they don't consciously work to improve their psychology. Psychology is very, 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 very important because sometimes you might know what to do, but based on your last 2 trades, they are not okay. You can't really execute. So you should really, really work on your psychology, because most traders, they ignore their psychology. Another reason why I think people have perception but they can't execute is that they risk too much. They risk too much. There's an industry standard that you should not risk more than 2% of your account. But ICT advise that if you are new, you should not risk up to 1%. Risk half of 1%. When you risk more, you can actually execute. And as a new trader, you're going to make a whole lot of mistakes. You're going to make a whole lot of mistakes. So you need to risk small so that you can survive. Because what your goal is not to make money initially. You have to survive before you strive. And I think the solution to this is build discipline. Build discipline. Consciously decide to build discipline. Make the effort that you want to improve your psychology. Read books on psychology. Mike Douglas has some PDF books, audio books on psychology you can read. Another thing you can do is to surround yourself with traders. Surround yourself with traders. Follow traders on Twitter, TikTok, Facebook.